Welcome to your new home. Located at 432 Sterling Brook Drive, this beautiful 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath home is ready for you to fall in love with its charm. It has a formal dining room, a formal living room that can also be an office, a large living space, and a really beautiful backyard.
Well over 4,200 square feet, located in the heart and soul of Lexington and in the Lexington School District. Let's take a look at this beautiful home.
So just imagine cooking dinner in this kitchen. You're talking bar top city, tiled backsplash, a farmhouse sink, quartz counters, simply amazing.